How to see blocked people on PS5. So there is a block list on your PlayStation 5 console in the settings. That's where we're going to go and then potentially unblock someone from that place on the PlayStation 5. So starting here on the PlayStation 5 home screen, you want to go to the top with the D-pad, scroll along to the right and click on settings. Then you'll want to go down, as I do here, and then click on users and accounts. There you'll want to scroll down and click on privacy, the one at the top where it says view and customize your privacy settings, and then near the bottom of that you will see players you are blocking. Click X on that. There you will see the list if you're blocking. If you want to unblock them, you can click X on them there. You can also go to their profile and click unblock. You can also type in their name directly and then unblock them from there. Either which way, that's how it's done. Please do leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.